Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear students, I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Welcome to our online platform of NIVS Home School. Dear students, here I am Muhammad Faruk Hossain, Assistant English Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Now I am going to conduct an English class for the students of class 7 and its English first paper. And our today's topic is from your EFT book, that means English for Today, Unit 4, Lesson 4, Task B, Exercise B, Question Answer. Dear students, this class is too much short, and before watching the class, I will request all of you to go through the book and read the text and then watch the video. So let's try to solve the question answer. Actually, Unit 4, Lesson 4 was about fixed price shop. Fixed price shop. Dear friends, by reading this, what you can understand, that means in this kind of shops, every product's rate or price is fixed. So any customer doesn't need to bargain about the price of any product. Okay? So this was B. And number 1, do you go shopping? Where is the shop? Answer. Dear students, before going to answer, I have something to say you that if in the world there are two kinds of interrogative question, interrogative sentence. One begins with auxiliary verb and another one begins with double S pronoun. Okay? So if any question, if any interrogative sentence begins with any auxiliary verb, its answer at the first or at the beginning of its answer, we have to bring either yes or not. Okay? So be alert about this. That means if any interrogative sentence begins with any auxiliary verb, we have to bring yes or no at the beginning of the answer. Okay? And if it begins with any double S pronoun, on that case we don't need to bring any yes or no. Okay? So in answer we have to say yes, I go shopping. Okay? And the shop is at Bonasri. It may be anywhere you like. Maybe Bonasri, Rampura, Dhaka, anywhere you may like. Okay? Then 2, what do you usually buy? That means what do you usually buy from the shop? This question begins with what? Double S pronoun. That means who, what, which, when, how, etc. So it will not contain any yes or no. So it will say the answer directly. So the answer is I usually buy books, pens, pencil, color pencil, fruits, biscuit, etc. etc. If you buy anything from any shop, then you may write anything what you, if you wishes, if you wish. Okay? And number 3, do you bargain? Why do you do that? That means why do you bargain? Dear friends, after going to the shop or after going to the market, we need to bargain about the product's price. Because sometimes you know that the product's rate is too much than the real price. Okay? Then its answer, although dear students, in this sentence you can see do you bargain. That means do. At the beginning of this interrogative sentence, do. So it's auxiliary verb. So although it begins with do, we have to bring another yes or no. So although you bargain or although I bargain, so I will have to write yes, I bargain. Why do you bargain that? Okay? Or why do you do that? The answer is I do so because in many cases the price is more than the real price. Okay? If I see that, then I need to bargain. Okay? This was the answer of C. Dear friends, now 4, number 4. Do you know about a fixed price shop. That means if you know about any fixed price shop. Dear students, this sentence also begins with do. That means it's also auxiliary verb. So its answer, or at the beginning of its answer, we also will have to bring another either yes or no. Do you know about a fixed price shop? If you know, then you have to say, or you have to write, yes, I know about many fixed price shops. It would be shops, not, although I have written many, so it would be shops. And after that, what I have written? Where is it? What does it sell? It is a kind of shop where one does not need to bargain. Dear students, this sentence I have elaborated what is actually a fixed price shop, and then where is it? That means where I have seen the fixed price shop. One of my known or familiar fixed price shop is located at Bonusri, or it may be any place you know that, okay? It may be Bonusri, Rampura, Badda, whatever you like. Then what does it sell? It sells shoes, dresses, stationeries and cosmetics. Cosmetics, C-O-S-M, cosmetics, okay? Dear students, this is very much easiest answer, and these questions are also very much easy. And you have homework number 8. It's from Unit 4, Lesson 4, Exercise B, question answer 1 to 4. That means all these question answer are your homework. Its submission date is 27 March 2021. Dear students, this class is very much short and very much easier for you. I hope you all have understood it, and for your better understanding, read the text, then try to solve it. And this is the end of the class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.